Model exam number 2. Question number 1. Complete the following statements. Number 1. The nitrogenous wastes are urea and uric acid. Number 2. From the factors that affect the friction, speed and surface area. Number 3. From the components of soil, humus and clay. B. What is the function or importance of each of the following? What is the function of soil? Soil is the main component of environment as it's important for all living organisms, plants, animals, and humans. Number 2, blood platelets. They help in coagulation of blood or they help in formation of blood clots. Question number 2, write the scientific term. 1. Type of friction force resulting from object movement in water, water resistance. Number 2. A decayed remains of animals and plants mixed with the soil components and its color is dark brown or black. Decayed remains, humus. Number 3. They are ends of arteries and beginnings of veins, blood capillaries. Number 4. A thin non-compacted superficial layer that covers the Earth's crust. Thin layer covers Earth's crust, soil. B. Give reasons for each of the following. Number 1. The fish has a streamlined shape. Streamlined shape to decrease surface area, to decrease water resistance, and the speed will increase. Number 2, the roots of plant are important for the soil because they help in the soil to be cohesive, prevent soil erosion, and they add nutrients to the soil. Number 3, sand soil is named by this name. Why sand soil is named by this name? Because it composed mainly of sand particles. Question number 3. Choose the correct answer. The body gets rid of carbon dioxide through lungs. Number 2. The color or texture or silt of the soil helps the scientist to determine the elements and minerals. The color of the soil helps the scientists to determine the elements and minerals. Number 3. Red blood cells, plasma, blood platelets carry oxygen from the lungs to the body cells. Red blood cells. Number 4. The friction force is in the same or opposite or perpendicular direction of motion. The friction force is in the opposite direction of motion. Number 5. Which soil absorbs water very well? Sand, silt, clay. Clay soil absorbs water very well. B. What happens when? Number 1. When the left atrium contracts, the blood will flow to the left ventricle. Number 2. There is no friction between your shoes and the ground. If there is no friction between your shoes and the ground, you can't walk and you will slip down. Question number 4. Put right or wrong. Car movement needs friction? Of course, it's true. Car movement needs friction. Number 2. Eating meals rich in fats activates the circulatory system? It's wrong. Because eating meals low in fats activates the circulatory system. Number 3. The cells that have no nuclei are the red blood cells? Yes, it's true. Number 4. The two atria are the two lower chambers of the heart. The two ventricles. It's wrong. The two ventricles are the two lower chambers of heart. Atria are the upper chambers of the heart. B. Label the opposite figure. What is this figure? It's the urinary system. Number 1, kidney. 2, ureter. 3, urinary bladder. 4, urethra. Thanks for listening.